Hi, I'm Anne. I'm an environmental scientist from Denmark with a passion for ocean conservation and experience in marine science. My main area of interest has always been ocean health and conservation, and that is why I chose to focus my studies on understanding chemistry, ecology, and marine science through laboratory and literary research, as well as data analysis and modeling. And in 2021, I received my Master of Science from the Technical University of Denmark. I have since worked at the university as a research assistant, testing the biodegradability of tire-wear microplastics and the ecotoxicity of produced water from offshore oil extraction. I have worked as a public speaker at the National Aquarium of Denmark. I've studied a semester abroad in Sydney, learning about fisheries management and remote sensing. And I completed a 3-month internship in the Seychelles monitoring reef health as a research diver. It was in the Seychelles where I witnessed firsthand what I had previously observed only in the lab and through literature: how overfishing, pollution, and climate change had turned reefs to rubble. It was this recognition of the gravity of the problem that sparked my ambition to work with active restoration. So in 2022, I went to the New Haven Reef Conservation Program on Koh Tao in Thailand. There, I conducted fish, inverts, and substrate surveys, as well as monitored coral diseases and predators. I was also accepted to become a conservation diver instructor, which meant I was in charge of teaching a wonderful group of volunteers and leading our science dives. At the same time, I completed my dive master training because I saw this as the best way to improve my diving skills so I can ensure the safety of my colleagues and the environment on future research dives. While in Koh Tao, I developed my own research project. On an earlier trip to gather coral samples from the Great Barrier Reef, I came across the coral clip, a small clip used for fast and cheap outplanting of coral fragments on natural substrate. I was curious to test its performance on concrete-based artificial reef structures, as it had the potential to be much easier than the currently used methods. To test this, I constructed my own modular reef structures out of metal bars, chicken wire, and concrete, which were deployed at a nearby dive site on the edge of the natural reef. 96 coral fragments were attached to the structures using the coral clip and are now being continuously monitored, and it looks very promising. This project was incredibly fulfilling, and it reinforced my aspiration to work with ocean conservation. I am excited to keep researching and developing methods to understand, secure, and restore the health and resilience of the wonders that are marine ecosystems.